Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make vitamin D at home. Start by exposing bare skin for short periods near midday, focusing on face, arms, or legs for 10 to 30 minutes depending on skin tone and location. Avoid sunburn, use sunscreen after initial exposure, and consult a doctor if you have conditions or take medications that affect synthesis. Track progress with blood tests and adjust exposure based on results and seasonal changes. Aim for midday sun when UVB is strongest to make vitamin D more efficiently, but do it safely. Start small and increase exposure gradually while watching skin for any signs of redness. Use clothing or sunscreen after the initial window to prevent damage. Remember that latitude and season change how long you need to be outside, and darker skin requires longer exposure for the same vitamin D effect. Food and supplements help when sun exposure is limited or risky. Eat fatty fish, fortified milk, and egg yolks to boost intake, and think about a supplement if you have limited sun or dietary restrictions. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting supplements, especially if you take medications or have health issues. Regular blood tests let you adjust doses safely and avoid taking too much vitamin D over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.